check SFC and DISM to repair Windows system files. Windows includes built-in command line tools like System File Check, SFC, and Deployment Image Servicing and Management to help troubleshoot and repair system file corruption and other issues. These tools are useful for resolving Windows problems without reinstalling the OS. Below is a step-by-step guide to use these tools. Step-by-step guide. 1. System File Check. System File Check, SFC, scans your system for corrupt or missing system files and automatically repairs them. 1. Open Windows Terminal as administrator. Right-click the Start button and select Windows Terminal Admin from the menu. 2. Run the SFC command. In the terminal, type the following command and press Enter, bash sfc/scannow. This will scan your system files and replace any that are corrupt. 3. View the SFC log. To check the log file that contains the details of the scan, type the following command, bash notepad env WinDir Logs CBS CBS.log. This opens the log file in Notepad where you can review the results of the SFC scan. 2. Deployment Image Servicing and Management, DISM. DISM is a powerful tool that can repair Windows image and component store corruption. 1. Open Windows Terminal as administrator. Right-click the Start button and select Windows Terminal Admin. 2. Run the DISM command. Type the following command and press Enter. Bash DISM online cleanup image/RestoreHealth. Explanation /online targets the current operating system. /cleanup image runs an extensive check for issues. /RestoreHealth scans and repairs corruption in the Windows component store. 3. Wait for the scan and repair. The process may take some time to complete depending on your system. DISM will attempt to fix any errors it finds. These commands can help repair common issues related to system files and the Windows component store, making your system stable again without needing a fresh installation.